Okay, I have been asked what was the recipe, how did I make the salmon, and how does someone make their oven? His answer, the trick secret ingredient of the salmon silky is was the father. He was a true mahogany redbird who had the lighter hackle feather. I then bred him to a silver penciled hen that had a brownish coat and lighter hackle to her. The result were Mac Silky and sibling. The hens are a wheaten color. I took a pic of Mac Silky and one of the hens last night. The lighting causes the color to not photograph well in person. You can really see the true wheaten color in these, but you will get the gist of her coloring since Mac Silky is standing next to her. The hens are often like Mac Silky, though he in silver wheaten salmon. The hens are more wheaten past. Here is a pic of Mac Silky as a baby. As far as what to breed to if you do not have a wheaten silky, I would recommend it black since I have bred Mac Silky to other color for experiment. I have found that the color does reproduce what when not bred to just wheaten hens. So you could and might get this color in the F2 generation when crossed with black. Or another color, the bird for sale McFlurry is an example of what you can get from the salmon to another color. In this case, Splash hope the answers some of the questions everyone has since this is on the ground floor of breeding. Only time will tell. It sure is getting exciting. The salmon is in the pens with full sisters for mating this winter and the result will be posted on the silky of a different color thread as they happen.